Hi, I am Nuris for OrangeTee AAG Division Dallas Hassan Branch. Today, I'll be showing you an exclusive unit right here at Block 727 Woodlands Circle in District 25 Woodlands. This is a 4-room, 102 square meter spacious HDB flat that is just minutes away from tons of amenities and facilities. Come, let's go! When you first enter the unit, you will immediately notice how spacious and incredibly well kept the house is, which offer you countless design possibilities. In this 4-room HDB flat, we have the living and dining space, kitchen, a storeroom, service balcony, 3 good-sized bedrooms with 1 ensuite and 1 common bathroom. The living room is spacious with a rectangular layout and porcelain flooring that can easily fit a large sofa with ample distance from the TV console. The window here let in plenty of natural light, and as you can see, the living room extends out to the bedroom, eliminating the need for a hallway. Tucked nicely into this corner, our dining space is seamlessly integrated with the kitchen and living room for truly interconnected living. It can easily fit 5 to 6 guests over for dinner. This kitchen has an L-shaped layout that is efficiently designed, giving you plenty of storage space and well-maintained kitchenware. It comes with an attached storeroom and a glazed ceramic backsplash. There is a service balcony that is bright and airy with space for your washer and dryer. The common bathroom beside it is also well kept and ventilated. Moving back to the living room, we have 2 junior rooms as well as a master suite. Our junior rooms are good size, their rectangular layout comfortably fitting a queen-size bed. As you can see, the rooms are also highly versatile with no odd shape hindering furniture placement. Now, our master suite is huge, easily fitting a king-size bed with space still left over. It is brightly lit and comes with an ensuite bathroom. Our master ensuite is pristine and comes with a separate shower area. Within just a 5 minutes walk is Admiralty MRT station, giving you access to the North-South line. For those driving, Woodlands Avenue 7 is right at your doorstep and will connect you to the SLE in less than 5 minutes. A good deal of food and grocery options await you at One Shoe Food Court, Kampung Admiralty Hawker Centre and 888 Plaza, all of which are just a 12 minutes bus ride away. On the weekends, take a short walk to Circle Green Park or Woodlands Crescent Park Playground for a nature-filled evening by the river. For family with children, you will be pleased to find a range of schools in the vicinity like Riverside Primary School, Admiralty Primary School and Admiralty Secondary School, all within a 1 kilometer radius. If you are interested in this unit, do contact me at 9892-3700 to find out more. Once again, I am Nuris for OrangeTee AAG Division. Thanks for watching. See you!